Having issues with Tabby and need help fast? Here's how to contact Tabby's customer service live chat in the UAE. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reach Tabby's support team through live chat so you can resolve your payment or account issue without delays. Step 1. Open the Tabby app on your phone or visit their official website at tabby.ai. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom of the homepage and tap Help or Support. Step 3. Tap the chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to launch the live chat window. Step 4. Choose a topic like Payment Issue, Refund, or Account Help, then select I Need More Help. Step 5. Type your message and wait for a live agent. Support is typically available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Gulf Standard Time. Step 6. You'll get a notification when an agent replies. Be sure to keep the app open or check your email for updates. Tip: if chat is unavailable, you can also send them an email at help@tabby.ai or use their in-app support form. Need urgent help from Tabby? Drop your experience in the comments. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching.